everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest keeps crashing on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and restart your phone. Then update the Pinterest app by going to your app store, search for Pinterest and make sure your app is updated to the latest version, so it will clear out bugs and fixes and it will stop the app from crashing. And you're going to go to the settings and then search for low power mode and then make sure it is turned off. If it still crashes, then you're going to reinstall your Pinterest. Safety tip: avoid beta testing apps unless you know how to handle bugs. Quick fix: log in from Safari to resync your account before reopening the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.